Hi everyone, I'm going to go through a quick rundown of Quill. Quill is the program that we use for grammar. Every Monday you will be using Quill for your warm-ups. In addition, we will also be doing classroom activities with Quill, and we'll also be doing regular benchmarks to see where you're at. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to do, I'm just going to show you a brief overview of the program and just show you what's what. So it's really easy to get to. You just go to I'm going to type in www.quill.org. Okay. You'll log in using your school Google. And you'll actually log in with the Google button, not by typing in your Google information. You'll use your Google the login with Google button. Once you are logged in, it does link with your Google Classroom, so it will automatically, as you can see here, it will automatically link you to your classroom. You'll see up here my name, your teacher's name, and your class period. Sometimes it will have an additional classroom if you've had another teacher. It will have an additional classroom up here. So make sure that you're always in my class. So sometimes it will suggest an activity up here. Make sure that you're not just clicking on whatever activity is suggested there, but make sure that you're clicking on the correct thing. So first, it has, Quill does have everything easily set up into categories. I have already pre-selected categories for you. So we have warm-ups. These are what you will do every Monday morning. It is a quick and easy warm-up grade that will be a daily grade, one a week. It takes 10 minutes to do one of these. And so these are anything from commonly confused words to conjunctions, to using correct capitalization, how to correctly use commas in things like dates, quotation marks, spaces with punctuation. Now, one thing I do need to say on this is that this is, because it is typed, it is working with typing skills also. So yes, it does. Typing, spelling, spacing, all of that stuff does matter too. Now with your warm-ups, you can pick any one of these, and there are enough to last you for the entire school year. Okay, so we'll get through the warm-ups there, and you can just pick one of these every week. Now we'll get down to the diagnostic. Here at the beginning of the year, we will start with this diagnostic, and it will just give me a general idea of where you are at grammar-wise. This is not something that I'm not going to take a grade on it based on your skill. It gives me an idea of where you're at, where you need additional help. We will take another one towards the middle of the year, an intermediate one, and then we will take one at the end of the year to see how far you have progressed. I will go into more detail with this in a moment. And then finally, we have this last portion, and it is classroom activities. I have chosen to show you this one. It is on compound sentences. As you can see, each one has different emblems. The warm-ups have a puzzle piece. The diagnostics have I can't remember what that's called. magnifying glass. And here we have a target and a flag and an apple. These are group activities. These will be done as a class, and then these are the follow-ups. And so if you notice, you cannot do these, and these will be done as follow-ups to this. So I hope this is a good introduction. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Thank you.